Hi friends, today what we are gonna see is a Viewster. It's a very good application in the LG WebOS App Store. And as you know, we have been doing several videos, and this is a particular series of videos on WebOS applications. So for more videos on WebOS applications, you may check out my channel. So coming on to this particular application, this is actually a video on demand application. It means the main content that are available are movies and TV shows. As you could see here, it mainly consists of movies, TV shows, and then several relevant stuff like you may search for some particular application. And this one supports voice search, so you may use the voice search for searching and going through all the movies. For example, if you want a particular show, you need to check for that show. You could use the voice search of the TV for this. And as you could see below, it shows the number of pages that are available, or the number of movies that are available in the particular category. And there is a rating below. You could see for every content available there is proper rating. The length of the video or length of the content is properly rated. So as from my own experience, I've been using this application for a while, like more than 2 months. So after that only I thought of reviewing this particular application. And the previous review of wow TV app, we tried comparing this application with wow TV, I mean wow TV with this particular application. So this is a way too different and the way too ahead application. Look at that, different categories are available, and this is a tight application, very neatly organized. And if you want to go through different contents, going through means it will show like comedy, romance, sci-fi, action, thriller, or for example, if you want to go for a Bollywood movie, then there is a Bollywood, there is a different category for that. So likewise, it's a very neat application, and it's very organized, very much really organized application. Means you don't want to mess around for any of the contents. You can directly go to a particular area, and if you are a regular watch, I mean if you regularly watch a particular content area, then they will put that on the first segment where just watched. In that segment, those videos will be appearing, what you have been searching for, or what other users in your area are interested in. Those videos will be listed over there. So that's a very good feature regarding this application. So there are different aspects in this video. What we will be doing is, as you could see, the primary of the video is to show you the contents that are available in the application, and what are the relevant contents that you could possibly be using. So so many contents are there actually, but there are several TV shows that are very good. And if you're not a fan of TV shows, then there are movies. Okay, so but there are no new movies or new contents. So what I would like to suggest is, if you like to watch TV shows, but you haven't been watching any TV shows, means if you would like to watch old TV shows now, or if you would like to watch old seasons of TV shows or something like that, then I would recommend this application to you guys. So as you could see, as you just saw there, it would take a little bit of time to stream. This particular application requires a minimum of 2 Mbps internet connection, because the video quality of the content available is 720p, and the audio quality is Dolby Digital with 2.1 channel output, I mean 3 channel output will be available. Not the 5 channel, means not a 5.1, but it's a 2.1, and it's a very good quality of sound compared to other applications like wow TV or even YouTube. YouTube is not offering a Dolby Digital audio at any point. YouTube application is not offering, but Viewster is offering, and Crackle is another application that is offering a Dolby Digital audio. But Crackle requires subscription, whereas this particular application doesn't require any subscription. It's a free application. So what I would like to show you guys is, this is normal stream videos. Means I am playing dirty picture, which is a particular movie I just chosen randomly. So I'm just letting you see how this TV performs. So why I've taken now this gap is, in order to watch this in a 1 Mbps connection. As I said before, my internet connection is only 1 Mbps, but I used to use this application. How? So what I will be doing is, I will buffer and watch this particular application. Not every application in WebOS supports buffer and watch, because while you are going away, for some other application they won't work, means they will be completely static. But whereas this particular application, it's not static, it will buffer in the background. Means for example, if you're watching if you just kept this particular application on, and then you are going to watch a TV or something, then you are coming back to this particular application after 1 or 2 minutes, then in that 1 or 2 minutes it will actually buffer that video in the TV memory. So that's a very promising thing. Why I said is that the TV memory for LG this time is 4 GB, means you could normally a 720p with a Dolby Digital audio file will be under 2 GB. So you could actually buffer that particular video you want to watch inside this. If you're having a 1 Mbps connection, I'm telling, if it is 512 Mbps, it will take a long time to buffer. But for a 1 Mbps connection, a 720p video means it will take only maximum 15 minutes. In 15 minutes it will be in a watchable condition for around 30 plus minutes continuously. So what I used to do is, like, as I've been doing now, I used to buffer and watch. Means if I want to watch a TV show, I'll be just putting it on in Viewster, and then I will be pausing the particular show. I will show you now. Okay, after this I will show you, and I'll be just putting it on hold, and later on I will be coming back to this particular application after watching something else in the TV, or after going through something else during any web browsing or something like that, and then I will be coming back and it will be working like a champ. Look at that. Now I have put only 1 minute in this video. I just put only 1 minute on hold, but now this particular video is playing for 3 minutes to 5 minutes continuously. So that means it can be used. So that is the particular message I would like to convey. This is a particular application I would suggest you guys to use. Those who are having a WebOS TV, you should use this particular application. I would highly recommend, because the content quality is high compared to other applications. The only application that is good compared to this one is only YouTube. Others are all paid applications. That is a different. If you want an unpaid application, means it's totally free, and you want high quality content, means Viewster is a very good application I would recommend. And okay, now I will show you. So now I am going outside. Okay, I have just put it on hold, and now I am going outside. So I just show you for 1 or 2 minutes how much it will buffer. That's my particular aim for showing you guys this. So if you're having some above 2 Mbps connection, means no problem, this will stream uninterrupted, because it's only 720p a video which requires only something around 760 kbps, means a 2 Mbps connection would suffice the normal working of this issue. I mean this particular application. So now when we are coming back, look at that. Look at on background, you could take a look how far the video is going without any interruption. I have just kept it on hold for I think 20 seconds max. So within that 20 seconds, how much this video will be going, that is really good. So that's why I'm promising this particular application is really good. Another very good thing about this application is it comes with screen ratio, means you could zoom in, you could take into the original portion, you could change the aspect ratio. Like that, there are several applications, and also this supports independent applications, means independent picture settings can be applied to this application. So totally I would recommend this application, because there are so many content, but in the Indian context I'm telling you, not so many contents are there, because Bollywood movies are very limited in number compared to other things that we have been looking for, right? So I don't means if you're particularly looking for Indian content, I won't recommend you this application. But if you want some good TV series, if you want some means I would recommend Regenesis season 1, 2, 3, 4. It's very good. It's an old TV series, but those who haven't yet watched, I think in the Indian context, most of you won't have watched so many of the foreign TV series. So if you would like to watch or you're interested, means this particular application is, yeah, it's a good to go. So that's it for this video. This particular application I would highly recommend you guys to check out also. Okay, so I'm not gonna make this video lengthy one. Okay, so do check out other videos in my channel, and hope you guys enjoyed watching. Stay tuned.